Hi guys, welcome to a short review about the SMATREE aluminum tripod mount adapter for GoPro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Basically they are claiming that it's compatible with all the GoPros. I mean, here on this side I have just the items to test, and this is what you get. You get this thing in the box. I think it was even in a plastic, but basically that's what you get, and I'm going to test it with the GoPro 7, at least with the GoPro 7 adapter and with the latest GoPro 10 Black Hero. So let's start with this one here. That's the, I think as far as I remember, that's the original housing for the GoPro 7. Okay, and let's make it really tight. I have brought this thing here which we can really twist hard, and as we can see, even after really securing this pretty hard, I mean, I'm not going to do this any stronger than that. You can see it's still pretty loose, and a lot of people have been complaining about that. So it really looks like when you're using it with this adapter, yeah, from the GoPro 7, which is probably the same thing with most of the GoPros except from the very new ones, it's not going to provide a very secure stand. I mean, it's not going to fall off, but it's not very secure. It's not fun when it's moving around, like say when you're using that for skiing or so. I've been using this one here, like a plastic one here in the past, and it has always been working really good. I've been able to secure this really tight, but there has been a big time problem with all these plastic ones because they tend to break after some time, and I've already broke 2 of them, and I was really close to lose my GoPros. So either they could drop or I could lose them, and I wanted to prevent that. So that's the reason why I bought this. But you can see there's a difference in size. When you see especially the outer parts here, I don't know why they made it like that, but it's definitely a difference here. But I actually bought it for the new GoPro 10. I think the GoPro 9 was already the same thing. So let's try it also with the GoPro 10. It's pretty loose when you put it like here, like that. But we want to know how it is after securing it with this screw. And we can see here, we don't have to really make it super hard. It has really nice stand. It's fully secured. It's not moving. So looks like with the latest GoPro 10, and probably the 9 is the same, it's absolutely secured. So you're good to go. If you buy this for one of the new GoPros, then it should definitely work. If you're buying this for older mounts, yeah, maybe not so good, especially when you're using a heavier camera. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.